Hey, what's up guys? So this video is like going to show you how can you disassemble for Logitech Z623 speaker. I was having the problem with the power on switch. I fixed it, but I just want to show you guys how to do it. So it was like having like when you're juggling like the button right there, it was like loose, or it was having like the crappy sound. And I just find out some of on the website on like Google it, and then people like having the same issue, and they don't know how can they open up. I spend like maybe half hour or something open up, use the air can like to clean up a little bit, and somehow it works amazing. See, let's joking with this one. No, now it's fixed. So I'm going to show you how can you disassemble it. So first of all, let me take off the power. 1 second. Alright, so power's took out, and make sure there's no more power right there. Alright, there you go. So that is 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, this one. So I'm using the screwdriver, this one. Okay, say like mark like 40. All right, so just unscrew it, and you got all of them. Okay, so this do out of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them. Okay, so and people showing like they can find out the other screw, and I find it. So basically like this tab, like the THX tab, will screw in. See the screw right there, like I mean screw right there. All right, that's like the one screw is underneath right there. Okay, which is this one. All right. So after this, that's 2 more right here. Okay. This 2. Okay. And all of the screw right there. So it's the exact the same size. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 2 underneath. Underneath right here. Okay. The other one right there inside. And this 4 is the big screw right here. A little bit too close. Alright guys. Alright, good. So took it off. I'm using something like those like for the phone, but somehow it broke. I just took it off right there. Hold on. Okay, so I took it off. Alright. Okay, so this right here. And I took out all the screws. So that is 2 right here. Okay, this 2 right here is a clip. It's something like this. With 2 Phillips screw. 2 right there. Okay. That's 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Alright. So let me just take that out again. Hold on. Oops. 1 second. Let's put down the phone. Okay, let's try to use on one hand. Oh, really crazy on one hand. Okay, right there as well. Okay, so those are off. Oops. Alright, so speakers out. So take out this circuit board is a little bit difficult, because this two is right there. Oh, by the way, you have at least take out this two, like the volume button right there. Somehow, okay, focusing. It's a shitty, stupid phone. Alright, so this two. Alright, you have to take this out. Well, I took it out, so it's like grab. Alright, this one is off. Okay, take this off. And this one, like I took it off, but somehow I find out it's a little bit broken after that. But it's still fine if you want to take it out. But also, you can take it off from the circuit board, and that one should be out. Let me try it this way. Let me see anything I can hold the phone. 1 second. Alright, try this. Hopefully not going to drop the phone. Alright. Be careful, the wire. You know what? Anyway, I just took it off. Okay. So when I took it off on the phone, so this little bit like clip is broken, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. So stretch a little bit. All right, it's off. Okay. So this is the sharp maker. So what I did is, using the air can, right, to boil it off the dust. So I did it. So I just want to show you how I did. So this little bit underneath right there is some hole right there. Let's see a little bit. Okay, let's say it's done. Let me turn it on. The power. Alright, the power is on. We're pushing this. We're juggling on a little bit. I don't hear any noise. It's good. See, no noise. Alright. So assuming this one is good, because I called my friend like it need to be ordered for replacing this, but it seems okay. I don't care. Alright, so let me take off the power. Okay, power is off. Okay, let's turn on, off, on. Alright, so no more power right there. And put it back in. Oh, one more thing right there. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. This one. Okay, this one, right? It's supposed to be there. This guy. And this one was there. I just use a little crimper and then adjust it and take it off. It's easy to take it off. Alright, so make sure you take it off before you take it off. Otherwise, you have no idea how come you can't take it off. Alright, so I guess that's it. And thanks for watching.